Hello, what's up guys? It's Milad and welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to introduce some indicator and we'll see if that indicator is useful and locate some failure of these indicators. First, let's see what does the indicator mean. Indicator are statistics used to measure current condition as well as to forecast financial or economic trends. It In the world of the investing, indicator typically refer to technical chart patterns driving from the price, volume, or open interest of given security. So indicators some measurement indicator is some measurements that help us to locate the where the price is going and calculate some uh, stock market thing and help us to see where the price goes. Well, now let's start with one of the most popular indicator that using in the world. It's the moving average. A moving average is a calculation to analyze data point by creating a series of average of different selection of the full data set. It's also called moving mean, and it's type of finite impulse response filter. Well, to add the moving average, you can go to this section, indicators, and write moving average. Simple. Well, as you see, the moving average is a line that around the price. You can set its inputs here. Well, it calculates the 9 candle of the chart. You can add more candle to calculate, and you can put the open price or high, low, close, high and low, HLC, HLC4, HLCC4. All of these can calculate any other moving average type that can helpful for you. Well, they use mostly 9 lengths moving average, and they can add you can add another moving average and change the lengths to 24 or other numbers that you need. Well, we can change the color of the moving average, second moving average, to don't misunderstood which is one. So you can use this moving average to, for example, if the blue one crosses the yellow, well, you can enter the long position, and if the blue one crosses the yellow to down, you can enter for the short position. As you see, it's a little late to enter this trade, but it can give you a good profit to our trade. But it has so many failure thing. As you see, if you enter, for example, here for trade, you lose your money. Well, it can give you some profit, but it's not good enough. You can enter here for a long position and you lose. You can enter here, it give you some profit, but it's not good. Well, let's see if we only enter the trade on the good sessions, such as American sessions and or in London sessions. Well, as you see, you can enter the trade here. It gives you a good profit, and if you enter here, it can give you a good profit too. For a London session, you can enter the trade around here. As you see, it's not good for the trade. It can lose. You can lose your profit here, lose your trade here, lose your trade here, and finally here you can enter the trade and give a little good profit for you. Well, let's go to the previous day. Well, as you see, if you can enter the trade here, well, you will wait until the cross, or you can enter the buy trade here, long trade here, but you can lose the money. But after that, you can enter another trade here, and it can give you a good profit here. If you enter the long position here, you lose. After that, you enter the short position here and lose your trade. After that, if you enter the long position here, it can give you a good, it can be a good trade for you. Well, let's go for the previous day. As you see, you lose your trade here if you enter for a long position. Well, it gives you a good trade here, but yeah, it's good. You can enter that trade. You can enter the short position here on the London session. Let's raise that one. Well, you can enter the long position here and lose the trade. You can enter here for a short position and lose another trade too. So if you can see, if you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 trades in that day in 5-minute time frame, you have the 7 trade in that day and you lose 1. It's not good. It's not good a trade. It's not good trade. 2 and 3 and 4, 5. 5 of your trades is failure. After that, you have a 1, 2, and 2 trade. It's not good for trading. So for a 5-minute time frame, the moving average is not good. If in any trade you have a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, well, you're still in a losing trade. So I'm not recommended the moving average, simple moving average itself, and you cannot enter the trade good trades with the moving average. So I recommend use another method or other time frames. Well, let's see if you have these trades on the 15-minute time frames. So for the London session, there is no entry in this day, but there's a short here and give you a little late entry, but it can give you a good profit for the other day. It gives you a good trade, only one trade a day. Here we have a good trade, but you cannot enter here, so you will enter here a little late, but not bad. Well, and the next day you can enter a buy long position here a little late, and I'm sure it will hit this stop loss, but it's a little better. Let's see if we can find any other failure trade. Well, here is one. It's failure. In that day you have two entry, one here and one here. In this day you have one entry and one failure, two failure, 1 2 3 position, and you have two failures in that position, but still you can have your profit. Well, I think you can use this moving average on 15-minute time frame in this period, a special period of time. As you goes backward, you can see there is more failure position, and it can not give you a good profit, I think myself, but it's useful. You can use it, I think, but you have to practice more and more and add more other rules for your strategy with moving average. Well, I think it's enough for this video, and if you enjoy it, please like and put comment down below and hit the subscribe button for me to upload more video. And if you use any other indicator, please give me that indicator, and we can add any strategy or any other failure of, we can analyze its failure in our channel. Please write on the comment, I can read it and analyze that indicator. Thank you for your watching. See you soon.